Good afternoon. My name is Jules Walter. I'm the CEO of Bagazo. If you invest in Bagazo, you can change the world. So Bagazo aims to solve the following problem. There are 2.4 billion people worldwide who are currently using biomass, that is dung, wood, or wood charcoal for their daily cooking. This is a $20 billion market. These people do not have any practical alternative. For example, propane is not accessible to most of them, and it's also, or electricity in many circumstances, but these energy sources are also unaffordable to these people. In the future, they will have even fewer choices because the wood is becoming more scarce and more expensive. And the cooking fuels that they're actually using lead to many health and environmental issues. In particular, there are more than 1.5 million people that die every year because of indoor air pollution. And deforestation is a huge issue in so many countries. So Bagazo has a triple bottom line. Economically, it is a business that uses less production cost. And environmentally, because Bagazo uses raw material that is actually waste material, it is renewable and does not lead to deforestation. And socially, for the end user, it means a better health. It's virtually smokeless, but also it helps for poverty reduction because the cooking fuel is more affordable to them. So now here's how it works. The process has been invented by the MIT Development Lab. It's a three-step process. First, you have a carbonization step where you take the waste material, in this case it's sugarcane agricultural waste, and you carbonize it. Then it is mixed with a binder, and finally it is pressed. And what you can see at the right side of the picture is our charcoal, Bagazo charcoal, which is way better. So our charcoal is better in every aspect. In particular, it is more cost efficient to produce. And also, for the end user, one other aspect that is extremely important, which you can see at the last row of this table, is that it actually burns for longer. So basically, you have more calories per kilogram for a better price. Now, the initial market will be in Haiti, where I'm from. So that's a $125 million market. And the reason we've chosen Haiti are the following. We have a good understanding of the country because I actually grew up there, but also some other member, Dirty Lahens, who is our VP of Marcom, also grew up there. And we also have great contacts within Haiti. We understand the business environment. And the team overall has been to Haiti on many occasions to do market studies, but also establish partnerships with local leaders there. And there's also a critical need for this product, a huge market demand for our charcoal within Haiti. And there's the waste material is highly available. So Haiti will provide a proof of concept for our business that we will replicate in other places in the world. In terms of competition, our business is more competitive than the current wood charcoal for many reasons. In particular, the way it works right now is that the market is very fragmented, so the producers only produce about 3 bags per week. And they have to go all the way in the forest, which increases their transportation costs significantly. And you also have to consider the fact that the wood charcoal that they produce has to go through many middlemen, and each middleman takes a margin, so for the end user it's extremely expensive. And when we're looking at future competitors who will enter our market once they realize that it's profitable, we will have an advantage because we would have already locked in contracts with the sugarcane suppliers. And also we would have established, and we're actually in the process of establishing partnerships, not only with the suppliers, but with other entities that would be helpful within the market. And with our development team that's established in the United States and who has access to MIT there, etc., will be constantly innovating our processes and keep our competitive edge. Now, our operations aim to actually, in order to actually have more efficient operations, we'll have a decentralized approach. The carbonization steps is our bottleneck, but also in order to reduce transportation, we need to carbonize the material on site. Therefore, our carbonization machines will be located near the sugarcane plantation, and then which will lead to fewer transportation costs. So overall, we will be producing about 1,000 bags of charcoal per day from 60 tons of bagasse, which is the agricultural waste. So in terms of sales and marketing, we're looking at a target market of, our goal is to actually capture 7% of 2 major cities within Haiti. We're only looking specifically at those 2 cities because it will reduce transportation costs, because that is where we have more infrastructures, but also because that is where the market is actually, most of the market is located. So our strategy to maximize profit will be a high volume strategy as opposed to a high margin per unit, because we're talking about the poor people. So we market our product as cheaper, as better for the end user, but better for the country, the environment, and also for their health. And since charcoal is an experience good in the sense that you have to try it, because we're selling to the poor people, we'll be giving free samples initially, and we'll be marketing our product through the radio and through government partnerships. Now let me give you an overview of our financials. So in terms of sales, we'll be reaching our target of $3.1 million by year 5 with an operating cash flow of $1 million. And these figures are actually for 2 sites, one that will be located in the capital and another within the second major city. So basically, the company will break even by year 2, and we'll need $700,000 of initial investment to actually set up the first plant. So these $700,000 will be divided as follows. So in year 0, we'll use $200,000 to perform research so we can get the most efficient machines for our business. And later, we'll actually use the remainder to set up the first plant in Port-au-Prince. In year 3, we'll use the money that will be generated from our business to actually set up a second plant. And this is actually basically how our investment money will be spent. Now, Haiti, in order to invest in Haiti, we need to be aware of the risks. And the way we're actually going to mitigate those risks is through the partnerships that we have already established within the country. So basically, we leverage our partnerships with the government, but also with successful entrepreneurs in order to better learn about the market environment. And also, we'll be trying to make sure that the key stakeholders have a vested interest within our company. For example, we'll encourage the sugarcane producers to actually invest within our company in order to make sure that even within the future that they'll stay with us and give us a better price. Now, let me introduce you to our team. So I'm Jules Walter. I'm the CEO. I grew up in Haiti, and I've been working with Bagazo for more than a year and a half. I actually went to Ghana, where I did market research also there to make sure that people were interested by this product. And we've actually been to other countries such as Pakistan and El Salvador. And what we found out is that people are really interested about our technology because cooking fuel is such a huge issue for them. We also have Jerty Lahens. She's our VP of Marcom. She's also a native of Haiti. And she's a community leader there. And she has actually founded an NGO and worked with different international organizations. And we have our development team, our pro bono development team, I must say, who's actually stationed in the U.S. and was helping us to not only create our business plan, but raise money to make this a reality. And once we get in Haiti, we actually hire new people to fill in the gaps, in particular in operations, finance, and sales. In the long run, after year 5, we plan on exiting Haiti by selling shares to Haitian corporate investors, but also to U.S. investors that would be interested. And then once our model is successful, we will consider other countries that have the same issues where we can replicate this model. I'd like to thank you for your time.